Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the best Hampton Bay fan remote control on the market, the CENMING Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing fan setup or replace an old remote, this kit promises convenience and functionality. This remote kit is designed to work with most 110 volts 3-speed AC ceiling fans, making it compatible with popular brands like Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay, Hunter, Litex, and more. It's perfect for fans with downrod installations, though not recommended for hugger-style fans. Works seamlessly with Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay, Hunter, Litex, and other major brands. Offers high, medium, low, and off settings for precise control over fan speed. Allows you to adjust light brightness with compatible bulbs, enhancing ambiance and functionality. The FAN28R receiver supports up to 240 W, accommodating multiple bulbs and extending receiver lifespan. Includes a wall mount holder for convenient storage, and a luminous button for easy use in the dark. Enhanced functionality. Separate controls for fan speed and light dimming provide tailored comfort and lighting options. Ease of installation. Comes with all necessary hardware including wire nuts and screws, along with a clear user manual for straightforward setup. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and versatile ceiling fan remote control, the CENMING Universal Kit is a top contender. Its universal compatibility, robust features like fan speed control and light dimming, and positive customer feedback make it a standout choice. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations on Product Critique. That wraps up our review of the best Hampton Bay fan remote control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.